In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you 6 easy business ideas that are profitable and could potentially change your life, and you don't need to have a degree or any experience. These have the potential to generate over $60,000 in a year. Now, that's not a 6 figures, but an extra $60,000 could really change things around for you. Here's how you are going to start your business and earn over $60,000. Number 1 is to start an e-commerce business, and not just any kind of e-commerce business. I'm going to tell you the specific type for you to start that could change your life. This one you can run as a side hustle and still change your life. And the secret to being able to do this is by 1, selling goods that are small and not bulky. And a perfect example of this is jewelry, fine jewelry, costume jewelry, etc. Now, we know the jewelry e-commerce industry is booming right now, and there are people out there who generated over $200,000 last year from their side hustle selling jewelry that they didn't even create. I know this business could change your life because there are manufacturers that will create these items for you and allow you to put your own labels on them and sell them in your own Shopify or Etsy store. Number 2 is to start a virtual event production company. Now, because a lot of events went viral after 2020, it led to so many creators and founders who started looking for ways to take workshops and events online without being boring, and most of us know how to use Zoom, and we know how to use Google Meet. Now then, have you been to some virtual events where it literally feels like you're physically a part of the event? There's music, there are breakout sessions, some people even have gift boxes delivered to their guests. Do you know that you could be just that business that solves this problem for founders, for brands, and for individuals? Because like it or not, the virtual world is here to stay, because 2020 changed things up, and now we're 3 years in and it's just getting deeper and deeper because everything is going online. So you want to be at the edge of this change. Number 3 is to set up a content studio within your home or apartment. And as soon as you expand and start to roll out the things that you have planned for this year and beyond, you are going to need more people, more equipment, more resources, because you don't want random people just walking in and out of your home. You should start thinking about setting up a studio and office space. And then it came to mind that you have the scope to rent it out, right? As you know, there are loads of podcasters who shoot their podcasts in creative studios that they don't own. So you could just be the one to set up that kind of creative studio. And this is a business that you can run passively. Number 4, now you might live in the US, but might originally be from the islands or from Africa, from Nigeria, from Ghana, South Africa. You get the point. Listen, a lot of things we think are just basic, like fabrics, jewelry, purse, etc. Trust me, the rest of the world is looking for this stuff. When I found out how much people were willing to pay for mud cloth, clothing and pillowcases, I was like, oh, this thing is sold in a lot of places overseas, and yeah, there's arbitrage, and it costs this much here and it costs this much in the rest of the world, right? You've just got to do it. So then, If you have something that's special about where you're from that you haven't even thought about, then let me know in the comments section below what's unique about your island or your country. Perhaps it's bead, it may be a particular fabric, it could be hair accessories, etc. Just have a look at this beautiful pattern and its real, authentic African mudcloth and pillowcases. Etsy is a platform that is a good place to sell, but you can do some research to figure out other platforms. There is Shopify as well. Of course, you can sell straight from your social media platform or whatever path you choose. Folks, just don't sleep on your local or home country diamonds or gems. Okay, so I've put a link in the description below for your free guide on 54 different ways for you to make money online. So just go ahead, click the link in the description below for your free guide. Now then, I want to pass the question off to you. Which business idea or ideas do you see being more aligned with you? Drop your ideas in the comments section below. What's going on, guys? I'm Lorna Recommend. Welcome back to my channel. And if you found value in this video, then please do go ahead, hit the thumbs up button, subscribe and share this video with your friends and family to help our channel to grow. 1, it's free. And 2, it lets me know the kind of content that you like and you want me to keep making more of. But keep watching, for there are more money-making ideas coming up. Number 5 is for you to start a coaching business. Now, this is such a super one. If you have a skill or a desire and knowledge in your subject area, or you're an expert in a particular field and you're looking to start coaching others. Could it be that you like business coaching, football coaching, or dog training? Don't sleep on it. You've just got to get started, because there are people out there just waiting for your particular skill to release them into their destiny and purpose. Just go ahead, watch some relevant YouTube videos on how to start your coaching business to boost your confidence so you can show up powerfully. Guys, you've got this. Number 6 is to facilitate soft skill workshops for companies. As a life coach, you already have the right skill, mindset, because people you know often ask you for your opinion on certain things. As a life coach, you should be teaching people how to be more confident in their mindset. You can give trainings and workshops at universities or schools. It's about getting your message out there. You've just got to dream big and start small. Then you will begin reaping all the benefits and rewards. Let this be the year that you launch something that could potentially completely change your life. And I pray that as you step into the rest of the year and your calling, you step into it with confidence, with grace and favorable ideas. But more importantly, execution power, because when you implement what you learn, you then go on to win and win big. I think the value proposition is very compelling on these business ideas. However, depending on where you're watching from, go ahead and choose the money-making idea that aligns with you, or the ones that requires $0 to start making money online. So if you want to see more easy, beginner-friendly, online money-making ideas that requires $0 to little money to start, then click the YouTube card to see our playlist, or I'll put a link to that playlist in the description below and you can go watch this video next. Thanks for checking out this video. Smash the like button if you receive value, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.